chocolate. It's just a little bit different.
Yeah, but I like
It's good.
I like it a lot. Welcome to 9 Acres. I'm Dale,
I'm Lisa.
aka Nana. Welcome back to 9 Acres. If this is your first time here, we are a small farm in southeast Kansas, and we do cooking, hobby farm videos, traveling, gardening, hunting, all kinds of stuff on our channel. And we encourage you, take a look around, explore a little bit more of our channel.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover.
What are we doing, Nana?
Well, we are part of a collaboration.
A collaboration?
Yeah.
Really? What collaboration would that be?
It's called the Pies of March.
The Pies of March. Hosted by LeAnne at Mennonite Farmhouse.
And Tony at Kettle Kitchen.
So, this collaboration is the month of March, all about pies. 33
pies.
different collaborators bringing you pie recipes once daily.
Yes.
And our pie is today.
It is.
It is. We encourage you, if you'd like to qualify for giveaways, make sure you comment on this video below.
Yes.
They're going to have a giveaway on April 3rd.
April 3rd.
On
a giveaway.
Mennonite Farmhouse's channel. We'll have all the details of that giveaway in the description box below, along with the list of the collaborators and the schedule, along with a link to the recipe for today's pie.
And if you go through, watch every one of the videos in this collaboration, comment on every one of them, that increases your chances of winning something.
Yeah, they're going to give away $100 gift card, grand prize, plus all kinds of hashtag giveaways. Yep. So make sure you're part of that live to celebrate the Pies of March.
Exactly. What's our pie we're doing?
I don't know. What kind of pie are we going to do? I mean, we're from Kansas.
We are.
So we want
Kansas is called the
Sunflower State. So we thought we would bring a pie to represent Kansas.
Yes.
Now, I don't know about you guys, but I like peanut butter and I like chocolate. Especially, I like it together.
Yes.
Anything that's kind of like a peanut butter cup, you know, especially when it's like cold and crunches and all that kind of stuff. But anything like that, like, it's like most everybody loves it.
Yeah.
The problem that I see with peanut butter is
there's so many allergies to peanut butter.
Yes, there's so many allergies to peanut butter.
Yeah.
We don't have that allergy, but we know several people that do.
Yes.
So, we thought, why not bring a pie that...
with sunflower butter.
Yes, that's made from sunflower seeds.
And made from someone in Kansas.
Made in Kansas. It is, so it's non-allergen. And you get the best of both worlds. It has like that peanut butter taste, texture, without the allergy, plus the chocolate.
Yep.
So, we're going to make you a Kansas
sunflower
pie.
Sunflower chocolate pie.
So, it's all about the land of Oz.
It is.
So, this is a very easy pie to make.
You don't have to make it, nothing.
Very few ingredients. It's a no-bake pie. And it's relatively quick. You can either make it with all homemade ingredients. So if you want to make your own Oreo crust, if stuff like that, go back and check out our video from last year's collaboration with the Oreo pie. where we made the crust itself. This time we actually got a pre-made Oreo crust. So what ingredients are we going to need, Nana?
We need chocolate pudding, milk, whipped cream, and
sun butter.
sun butter.
Sunflower nut butter. If you have not seen this, check this. Look for this in your grocery store. It's really yummy.
It is.
Okay, so
first off, you take your chocolate pudding.
Put in your bowl.
Put in
One 3.9 ounce box of chocolate pudding.
Yes. Then 1 1/4 cup of milk. Dump it right in there.
Without dumping it all over yourself.
Yep, I didn't.
Now you take a whisk and whisk away. I'm going to go ahead and open up this pie crust. Now, I will say, last year when we made our pie crust ourselves, it was way better. But in the interest of time, we know a lot of you have a very busy schedule. We thought this would be great because this is something quick you can make, take to the potluck at church or, you know, the school function.
Yep.
And you just make it up, pop it in the fridge for a few hours, and you're golden.
That's right. And next is 3/4 cup sunflower butter.
3/4 cup of sunflower butter.
I can't find my 3/4 cup measuring. Does that look good?
Looks pretty good.
Okay.
I mean, the worst thing that'll happen is we'll have too much filling.
It'll be peanut buttery.
It'll be
sunflower buttery.
nut buttery.
It is a little softer than regular.
Yeah,
peanut
sun butter is a little bit. It's more like a natural. It's not, you know, quite as thick.
Yeah.
So we'll add that sun butter to that chocolate.
You just mix.
Get the old mixy going on. You want me to open up the next one?
Sure.
Now, whipped topping. Now, I'll tell you a little story. We bought the ingredients for this, and we got ready to start making it, and then Nana informed me we had to go get ingredients. And I said, why? Well, Nana has an addiction.
I like whipped cream.
She likes just straight whipped cream.
I do.
So,
our granddaughter loves whipped cream. She calls it shaving cream.
Shaving cream.
So use a half of a container of an 8-ounce container. In this. Plop.
Just plop, plop. Okay? Looking so good.
It is looking good.
I feel like I'm not helping out enough.
Well, it's a one-person job, really.
We should have just had this on like Nana 9 Acres channel. Because, I mean, cooking with Nana.
You're here for the support. There we go. We're getting her. And you can use an electric hand mixer if you want, but I ain't got one of those.
We actually have a KitchenAid stand-up mixer.
But that's just too big.
Yeah, we just, as quick as this is, you don't need to dirty it all up and everything.
All right. After you get that all mixed together really good, you just dump it in your pie crust. I should be holding on to this correctly so I don't drop it in there. Hold on to my little handle. Okay, that's better.
Look at the pillowy soft.
is.
Oh!
Yeah, and the extra whip topping, you let this rest in the refrigerator for about 2 hours.
So let's put it in the refrigerator.
Yes. Okay. And then you use the extra topping when it comes out and put on top.
So stick around. We'll be back.
And
Nana,
it's that time.
you led me astray.
What?
Okay. Maybe I led you astray.
Every day of my life, people. Every day.
I meant all you people too. Because I know it doesn't happen very often, but I made a mistake.
Where's the calendar? Rooster, get that calendar. Write it down. Okay.
It's not April 3rd
It's April 4th.
for the live giveaway.
Yes.
At 6:30 Central Standard Time.
On Mennonite Farmhouse channel.
April 3rd was
last year's.
Last year's.
And there's not 33. There's 31.
There's 31. Even better.
I should have been reading the email instead of him.
Yeah. Boss, even he can't believe I was wrong. So, we firmed up.
It's ready.
It's firm. Okay. And also, just so you know the best part about making this pie? You get to lick the leftovers in the bowl and on the spoon.
And he did.
Nana did.
You did too.
I'm on a diet. I didn't do that.
You did too. Because I had the spatula and put it in his mouth.
She tried to get it all over in my beard.
I did. So you're using the other half of this yumminess here.
And by the way, we had to get more. Because why, Nana?
Because I like whipped cream. Okay, I'll do it. My name is Nana, and I am addicted to whipped topping.
That's the first step,
There, I
Nana.
said it.
Admitting your problem. By the way, I got hot. I had to take off that vest. It was hot.
It's a whole 45 degrees here in Kansas today. And, we dropped the ball. We was going to have some sunflower seeds to decorate on top of this, but...
My name is Dale. I'm addicted to sunflower seeds. Everyone say hi, Dale.
Hi, Dale. Okay.
So, that was really hard to make this, right?
It's ready.
Because that's it. Now, put it back in the fridge. Let it chill. And then serve it.
You don't have to put it back in the fridge. You can just eat it now.
Well, let's do it.
Let's do this.
Let's do it.
I can't find my pie knife. Oh, man. Oh, well. Get out of my way.
I remember last year.
What he did. Did you see what he just did? Last year? What about last year?
Somebody put pie filling all over my face.
It wasn't me. That must have been Lisa. This is Nana you're working with.
Oh.
All right, cut this baby. I can't find my pie thingy, so just love me through it, guys.
Love us through it.
Let's see if this works. If it will come out. Well, not so much.
It's not a perfect cut.
You know what? It'll be okay.
There's nothing perfect in this world.
Definitely not in this household.
Okay. There is something perfect in the world.
Our God.
Our granddaughters, too.
Oh, well, yes. That is very true.
I got a spoon.
Okay. Let's do this. Oh, I wanted a spoon, too. Oh, well. I'm not going to dirty up another one. Oh. You guys. That's pretty stupendous.
Wow.
You gotta try it. You gotta try this. It is so good. That was a little rough. Oh.
It is really, really good. It is so decadent. That sun butter it's a little different.
Okay.
That sun butter is just a little bit of a different flavor.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like peanut butter chocolate. It's just a little bit different.
Yeah, but I like
It's good.
I like it a lot. So, I hope you guys have enjoyed the Kansas sunflower pie.
Yes.
Remember, Kansas is the sunflower state and the land of Oz.
It is. And that's where the yellow brick road goes through.
So,
True story.
we encourage you guys, watch every video in this collaboration. Comment on every video so that you increase your chances at the giveaway.
Yep.
Make sure, if this is something that you enjoy, if you don't enjoy it, we really appreciate you sticking by and watching. Give us suggestions on other things to try. And also, if you find anybody here in this collaboration that you really enjoy, go check out more of their channel.
Yeah, subscribe to them.
Yeah, the most that you
We'd
can help out
appreciate if you
all
would
of us.
subscribe to us too.
Oh, yes. The most that you could help any collaborator in this, share the videos out.
Yes.
And share it with others. So, till next time, y'all, farm on.
Keep strong.
We love you.
And so does God.
Bye.
Deep
Bye.
in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start?